water. Oh, man. Dude, the tunnel pool. It's mandatory. Oh snap, look, he just pulled up. Don't let the officer know, but I actually, I may or may not have my license with me. I may or may not have my license with me. Oh snap, road really blue behind me. Little VBWRX. Oh snap. Yeah, I don't know what that stuff at the gas station was, bro. I'm never using that again. Got some of this Windex glass cleaner. It's probably ghetto, but you know, it gets the job done. Alright, so today I just want to go for a drive. I already have a route in my head, and we're just gonna go. Just got my full tank of gas, as y'all saw. I put some air in my tires. For some reason, my right tire, I don't think the machine was working when I was doing my front right tire because it's just been stuck at 28. Meanwhile, the others are climbing to 35. But it shouldn't make too much of a difference. I mean, I'm not driving at 100%, so it shouldn't really matter. But yeah, a little bit of traffic on the road. Kind of shows a bad time to do this. It's 3 o'clock. Everyone's coming home from school and work. But when I get to my areas, it should thin out a little bit, so I will catch up with y'all when I get to my local back roads. Man, gas prices are insane right now, but you know, I couldn't even tell you what I paid for gas, because here's the thing, right? At the end of the day, cars are an integral part of life for 90% of people. Like, you still have to go to work, you still have to go to stores, so there's no point complaining about gas prices when you're gonna have to pay for them anyway. Like, I don't, like, that's why I say, like, I couldn't even tell you what I pay. I don't look at the gas prices. All I know is I hit 93, I fill it up, and when the tank is full, I take it out and I walk away. That's all I know. But yeah, I mean, it just is what it is. No point stressing about things that are out of your control. But yeah, I mean, I got this nice BRZ. I'm gonna enjoy it. Gas prices be damned. Okay, here we go. The road's opening up a little bit. That's what I love about the BRZ. Honestly, not even just the BRZ, but like just slow cars in general that are high revving, like you don't even have to be going fast to feel like you're driving a race car. Like, you can rev this thing out and not go above 60 miles an hour. It's amazing. That's why I say cars like these are the perfect street car. Probably gonna make a video on this next, but like, you don't need a fast car, man. Like, just buy something under 300 horsepower and just work it, man. That's probably why I resonate with old sports cars so much more than I resonate with these new sports cars, like the Mark V Supra and the BMWs and the Audis and the Mustangs. Like, I get it, power is great. You know, it's a great platform. I'm not knocking that, but I mean, in most scenarios, you're just dead if you hit the pedal in traffic. You're just dead. But a car like this, I can just beat it to death, and I'm still not breaking any laws. It just sounds loud. That's what I'm saying. Like, I really just, you know, the more and more I drive this car, the more I just kind of fall in love with the idea of the whole slow car fast mentality. And I get it. No one with a fast car is going to be driving it slow, right? But I can squeeze this car out so much more than I would like a C6 or a Mustang or like a BMW M car, Mark V Supra. And with older cars, you get that. You get that low horsepower, but that really raw driving feel. Alright, hopefully I have wind reduction turned on normal only because it's going to muffle my speech if it's on high, so we'll see how it is. I'm going to go slow because I want these guys to get ahead. Someone behind me. Pops are extremely loud. And I got my SB Dunks on, man. Favorite driving shoes. Lots of feedback. Dude, this AWE exhaust, when you're next to buildings, the reverberation is just amazing. I'm a very big sound person. I want the loudest intakes, the loudest exhaust, the loudest turbo noises. Like, dude, sound is like my favorite aspect of cars, honestly. Like, if you can dial in how a car sounds and oh man. Honestly, this is a good area to pass, but not really, because look at that. There's a blind corner right there. They call that the vanishing line. I can't see opposing traffic past that corner. So, like, say I try to overtake them and my car is slow, I'm just gonna hit the dude coming around the corner. So it's best to just chill. Oh man, extremely fun. When I get up here, I usually just hit a quick legal U-turn, and then I just run the course again. Oh man, I don't think we're gonna be able to get the tunnel pull here. I don't think we're gonna be able to get the tunnel pull. Oh, snap. Yes, sir. Oh man. Dude, the tunnel pull. It's mandatory. Uh-oh. You gonna let me merge? Sir? Sir? No. It's one of my favorite roads. Okay, that is extremely loud. My bad, y'all, if I'm cooking your ears. Porsche behind me. Is it Cayman or a 911? It's a 992. It's got those little 4-pin lights. It looks so elite, man. I think it's a Carrera. Yeah, it looks like a Carrera. I don't think that's a turbo. I got the Porsche. For those who know. I mean, my car is the same thing as a Porsche, except he paid more money. But like, other than the money, we have the same car. He's got 2 more cylinders, but guess what? I have 4 more cylinders. Buddy, send it for me. Oh shoot. Yeah, I think that was actually a 911 turbo. I think that's a turbo. Yeah, he definitely, yeah. Oh, my auto windows don't work. Well, oh yeah, it's, you know, like I said, even though my windows didn't want to work there, it's the same car. He just paid more money, okay? It's and he has a turbocharger, right? So but I mean, who actually needs a turbo? Like, let's be real here. He was probably talking to his passenger like, "Oh yeah, that's the new that's the Porsche the what is that? The GRZ something? Yeah, it's basically a flat 4. Yeah, just like the Porsche. Yeah. Oh, so it's like a mini Porsche. Yeah, it's like a mini one, but it's just, it sounds really bad, though. That's a blind turn. Don't want to send it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh man. Oh. Autocross at home. Crazy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here. It's getting kind of long. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing more POVs because I'm really trying to dial this camera in. So yeah, I'll be around.